protecting our family and home, we normally invest in advanced security systems, the latest windows and door locks, and even keep firearms to protect us from home invasions. Unfortunately, most people forget to safeguard their homes against fire hazards. Research shows that a small fire from your clothes dryer can turn into a major fire in less than 20 seconds. Clogged dryer vents are some of the main causes of fires in the United States. Dryer vent fires break out when the flammable lint accumulates in the vent. The lint buildup blocks the airflow in the vent, causing excessive heat buildup, resulting in a fire. Although regular cleaning is important to prevent the lint buildup, it is crucial to schedule appointments with professional dryer vent cleaners like Vent Wizard of Bellaire to inspect and clean dryer vents. They can also ensure your vents are code compliant and safe for your family. Protect your home and be safe.